the misty silence of Munnar, tucked behind dark bushes on the riverbank, stands a building that many locals still refuse to walk past at night. This is not a house, and it is not a church. It is a mystery over a century in the making. To the world, it is a landmark, but to the locals, it is Thalavetti Kovil, the Temple of the Beheaded. For generations, its windowless, airtight walls have fueled a terrifying narrative of what happens inside when the sun goes down. The most persistent legend claims that every Christmas Eve, at the stroke of midnight, the British managers, the Dorais, would gather here to behead themselves. They offered their lives to the devil, who would then magically return their heads to their bodies. Others whispered of human sacrifices and secret oaths. For the local workers, the silence of the building was proof of the occult. They saw the elite enter and emerge hours later, bound by secrets they would never share. But the truth is even more fascinating. This is Lodge Heather number 928, a Scottish Masonic temple consecrated in 1902, 8 years before the town's famous stone church was even built. It wasn't a place of death, but a sanctuary of brotherhood. Who were the men behind this windowless temple, and why did they build it in the heart of the wild high range? In our next episode, we meet the Scottish pioneers who tamed these hills. Subscribe for episode 2, The Tea Pioneers.